Did you know that 86% of consumers are willing to pay more for a great customer experience? Client expectations have changed in every industry. Good customer service is no longer good enough. Clients want an experience that is personal and unique. At Century 21, our mission is to challenge existing conventions and real estate relationships by taking what can be one of the most stressful purchases in a consumer's life and transforming it into an extraordinary experience by creating memorable moments along every step of the journey. With the help and knowledge of a team of award-winning top-producing agents, we've developed the 10 Brilliant Basics, 10 standards of client service that can transform a basic transaction into an extraordinary experience. Log on now to Century 21 University, where we offer a 1-hour overview and the complete in-depth multi-day workshop. And begin mastering the 10 Brilliant Basics to help you win more business, increase referrals, and stand out from the competition.